Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning guys! Ang agang magising ng aking little bear. Siya ay little bear ngayon kasi nag-spit kaya nag-change ng outfit. Right, kuya? Ha, Kuya Dawson? Ayan, naririnig ko na si baby brother. He just ate, so I think he's ready to sleep. Tulog ka na, baby? Ha? Antok na ikaw? Hey, Dawson! Antok ka na? Antok ka na? Sumusunod na siya. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. How are you today? Good morning, guys. Ayun, pinuyat ako ni Brayden. Grabe. Nagising ng alas 3. Hindi na siya natulog hanggang alas 6. Ngayon, tulog na tulog pa. Samantala, naglalaro na si Dawson. So, I'm just gonna eat some banana muffin while Dawson is not passing yet. Nakaupo lang siya sa kanyang bouncer, nakatingin sa paligid. Gusto ko nang gisingin si Dawson kasi pag umaga, sabi ng doktor, gisingin daw sila kapag oras na ng pagdede. Sa gabi, hayaan lang sila matulog. Ayan guys, katapos lang po namin, Brayden is laughing. Katapos lang po namin kumain at mag-change ng diaper. And now, we're playing. Yes, they got playtime. Gustong-gusto nilang panoorin tong kanilang mobile. Yan, tuwang-tuwa sila dyan. Lalo na si Brayden. He keeps smiling. I think Brayden is happy baby and this little guy right here is a serious one. Achoo! Bless you, baby. Taba-taba ng mga anak ko, pura usog. Oh, tuntua talaga sila dito. Nakatutok lang yung mga mata. Oh, Dawson is smiling. I can see that smile. Dawson, I can see that smile. Look, Brayden. I can see that smile, Kuya Dawson. Ha? I can see that smile. Ang seryoso ng mukha ni Kuya eh. So guys, here's our dinner. Ito yung leftover pulled pork yesterday and it really turned out good.
Yeah.
Akala ni Kalbo hindi masarap but I really like it, and of course French fries. Kalbo is eating while Dawson is sleeping there. There's still a lot more in there, hon?
Oh my gosh, yes. We'll have to freeze it and then have it out for another day.
Okay.
It's really good.
The other guy here. Katapos nilang magdede, kaya behave siya. Naglalaro lang. Hi, Brayden. Brayden. Hi, baby. Hey. Hey. Nangyari sa'yo. So yun guys, I can finally take a shower. It's 8:30 in the evening. Pinantay ko munang matulog yung dalawa. Tignan natin kung makakatapos akong maligo nang walang umiiyak. Pinabantayan ko kay Cubs. Kaya lang parang mauna pa ata matulog si Kalbo. Antok na antok din. Pagod din galing kasi sa work. But I'm not gonna wash my hair. Dito sa US, hindi ako nag-wash ng hair every day kasi nakaka-dry siya. So, I wash them every other day.
Look, I know you're hungry.
Ayan guys, ayaw dumidi ni Brayden kay daddy niya.
Come on, baby. You're hungry. I know. Come on, take the bottle. Baby, you got drink. Okay, alright. There. I just gave the bottle and Brayden to Jen. And he just started sucking it right away. And quit crying. I don't know why he's doing it to me. We haven't been able to figure it out yet. This guy's looking at me like, uh-oh.
hungry.
Who?
Brayden.
Not hungry enough to eat for me.
He would rather be hungry.
Loki's just confused. He's playing with his bone.
Guys, habang hindi pa umiyak yung kambal, it's already 9 o'clock in the evening, and I'll show you guys what I got for my mother-in-law. Ito yung regalo ng kambal sa kanyang lola kasi birthday niya nung Tuesday, and then we're gonna celebrate it tomorrow, Saturday. Pupunta sila dito. Every year pumupunta kami sa bahay nila to celebrate, but this year sila yung pupunta dito kasi nga yung kambal, para daw hindi na kami, you know, maraming chichiburechi pag aalis, magkasama yung kambal. And I got this for her. It's a frame, and then lalagay ko dito yung picture ng kambal kasama ng lola nila. It's so cute. Yeah, I already showed you what I got for her bracelet. So, yun, nagprint na ako ng picture nila. I'm just gonna pick it up tomorrow from Walmart. Ang ganda. I think she will like it. And I also have a good news kasi I already got an approval notice from the USCIS. Ayan. It means I'm already a permanent resident here in US. Finally, it's been a long journey. Simula nung nag-apply kami ng visa ni Cubs, and he did a good job. And he does most of the work, and of course pays for it. Anyway, it's just a notice, and then I think they're gonna send the I look up online, I checked the status online, and then it says that the card was mailed to me yesterday, so I think I'm going to get it next week. I'm so excited kasi at least hindi na mag-a-apply ulit. Yun na talaga yung pinaka-last, yung 10 years green card. And then I don't know if I'm gonna go for US citizenship. I'm not sure yet. Since I got 2 kids, I think it's easier for me if I apply for citizenship, para pag nagta-travel, hindi na ako sa ibang line. Kasi di ba kapag may ibang passport ka, sa ibang line ka. So, I think it would be easier for us. But I'm still gonna think about it kasi hindi ko alam kung mahirap ba. Kasi di ba may exam, and I still don't have time to mag-review. So yun guys, the twins are still sleeping. Sabi ni Dawson. Narinig niya yung boses ko. And I'm glad it's Friday. Daddy will be home tomorrow. I gotta help.
I'm on call.
Yeah, whatever. So maraming salamat everyone. Pasensya na kayo, maliit lang, iksi lang yung vlog namin kasi I was tired. Pinuyat ako ni Brayden kagabi. Ewan ko kung sinong pupuyat sa akin today. Either one or si Kalbo.
What?
Natin. Bye everyone. Maraming salamat.
Bye.
Bye. You're so gay.
I am not.